In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to GPT-4o in just under 5 minutes. So if you're eager to start using this powerful tool, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you regularly use to surf the web. Now, once your browser is up and running, navigate over to ChatGPT. If you have this bookmarked, even better, simply click on the bookmark to save yourself some time. Otherwise, you can type ChatGPT into your search bar and select the official website from the search results. Now that you're on the ChatGPT page, we're going to make use of the free tier. That's right, you heard correctly. You can access what is essentially a GPT-4 level experience without needing to pay. This makes it incredibly accessible for anyone wanting to explore its capabilities right away. If you're new to ChatGPT, you might find navigating its interface a bit challenging at first, but don't worry. With a bit of exploration, you'll quickly get the hang of it. While using the free tier, it's important to note that you are indeed tapping into a GPT-4 level model. This latest iteration provides a significant improvement in understanding and creativity compared to previous versions. It's fantastic for generating text that is coherent and contextually aware, perfect for tasks ranging from producing creative content to answering complex questions. Next, you can go ahead and either start a fresh conversation or choose to open any existing chat you might have. If it's your first time, you'll likely start a new chat by hitting the New Chat button. Once you've made your selection, a chat window will appear, and you're just about ready to start interacting with the AI. When you're in the chat window, simply type out your prompt. This could be a question, a request for information, or whatever context you're hoping GPT-4o will assist with. After entering your prompt, take a moment to review it for clarity, as a well-crafted question will typically yield a better quality response. When you're happy with your prompt, press enter and wait for ChatGPT to generate a reply. Within moments, you'll see the AI processing your request and delivering a response right there in the chat window. It's really that simple. You now have access to GPT-4 level capabilities, ready to assist you with a wide range of tasks. With this, you've learned how to unlock GPT-4o effortlessly. Try experimenting with different styles of prompts to fully explore what this tool can offer you. Enjoy engaging with this exciting technology, and thank you for tuning into the video today.